Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious shrimp tacos. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of raw shrimp, a bunch of cilantro, chile serrano, 2 garlic cloves, a small piece of onion, 1 avocado, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, half a cup of milk, the juice of 1 large lemon, olive oil. We're also going to need chopped cabbage, carrots, tomatoes, onion, cucumber, cilantro, and chile serrano. And all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients, now let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start by prepping our shrimp. So make sure that your shrimp is nice and clean. And to that we're going to add all of our spices and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. So just make sure that you rub the shrimp and it's nice and coated with all of our spices. Okay, so we're just going to marinate our shrimp for a few minutes, and meanwhile we can make our salsa. Okay, so to a blender cup we're going to add our cilantro, chile serrano, I'm using 2 garlic cloves, the piece of onion, our avocado, sour cream, milk, lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, cumin, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. And now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth sauce. Okay, so once we have our sauce, we're going to set it to the side. Okay, so once we have our sauce ready, now we are ready to cook our shrimp. So now we're going to grab our skillet, we're going to set it on medium-high heat, and we're going to wait for it to heat up. All right, so once our skillet is ready, we're going to place our shrimp, and we're going to begin cooking them. Make sure that they're on a single layer, so like that they cook evenly. And we're just going to cook them for a couple minutes each side. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to flip our shrimp over and allow that side to cook for another 2 minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, our shrimp is done. So now we're just going to remove it from the oil. So like that, they don't overcook. Okay, so once we have our shrimp ready, now we are ready to make our delicious tacos. And I'm going to use the oil to cook my tortillas. So just fry them. And get them nice and crispy. Okay, so before we make our tacos, we're going to make our quick salad. So we're just going to mix our lemon juice along with garlic, salt, black pepper, and salt. Of course, it's going to be to taste. So just mix it until everything is nice and combined. And of course, try it and see if you want to add some more lemon juice or salt. For me, it's perfect. So now we're ready to make our tacos. Alrighty guys, so once we have everything ready, now we are ready for the fun part. So I'm going to start by grabbing my coleslaw and I'm going to place it on top of my tortilla. It's going to be the little bit for our shrimp. And you add as much as you want. Okay, so now we're going to add our shrimp. And again, you add as much as you want. And now we're just going to drizzle our delicious salsa. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our super delicious shrimp tacos. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy and delicious. So cheers and enjoy. It's so refreshing. It's so flavorful. The salsa, the shrimp, everything is just the best. Perfect combination. It's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious shrimp tacos. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.